Guys, this is the Yes Welder Arc 205 dual voltage 110 or 220 power, 220 to 205 amps. Look how long these cables are. These leads are amazing. They're thick. This welder is made with quality, and you're going to get 30-day worry-free, 1-year manufacturer's warranty. You need to jump on this product now. Do you guys hear that sizzling bacon? This welder has power. It's great quality. Yes Welder for the win. Handle business and treat yourself. These are on a flash sale. Do not sleep on this. Honestly, Arc 205 for the win. This is the Arc 205 for the win.